This is how you convert an algebraic rule into a table. Your question you are trying to answer includes a rule that looks like the one that is shown on the screen. To start with your problem, draw a table like this one. This is where you will work out and hold your work and information. Your starting point will be the number in the rule that is not touching the x variable. This is called the figure 0. To begin with your table, put a 0 at the start of the table on the x row. Then, you will put your figure 0 beneath it in the y row. After you have done that, you are ready to complete your table. Replace the x in the rule with your first number, your second number, your third number, your fourth number, your fifth number. I have done so at the bottom. When you are done with that, put your answer into your table underneath the number that you replaced x with. Like so. You can also continue by adding the number that is touching x, in this case 3, to the last y variable you had put, in this case 2, until you are satisfied. I usually do about 5 or 6 numbers in each row. So, it goes -2 to 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 equals 4, 4 plus 3 equals 7, 7 plus 3 equals 10, 10 plus 3 equals 13, and so on and so on. These are the math practice standards that I have chose that go best with going from a rule to a table. I chose Model with Mathematics MP4. I can clearly show my work using diagrams, words, symbols, and pictures. Because the table is a diagram, and there are symbols in the rule, which are the x and y variables. I have also chosen Utilize Patterns, MP8. I can find and use mathematical patterns to help me solve a problem. I've chosen this math practice standard because you are using a pattern when you are going from a rule to a table. You are adding 3 each time, and so on, as I did in slide 7. If you have followed my steps correctly and accurately, your table should be complete.